What's going on YouTube? It is your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this video. I'm finally going to be doing this giveaway video. I know it's been taking forever, but life happens, people. Life happens, and I got my girl with me on the video for the first time ever. I've never really had a guest on the video before, but she's going to be doing the giveaway, not me. I'm just here. My presence just here, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Alright, so in this video, again, I want to talk about that we're doing this giveaway. We're giving away 6 Durags, people. Now, I am officially a part of a sponsorship, which is with Imperial Rags, Imperial Durags. For me personally, I feel like they have the best Durags in the game right now. I will be putting the information down in the description below. But before that time, over time, I've just been getting Durags left and right. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving away 6 Durags. We got some So Many Wave Durags. So got 3 of those. We actually got a Durag from, I forgot where I got these Durags from. Was it from D'Anthony? I believe these were from D'Anthony because you like they look like
drag queen shit.
Okay. Watch your mouth. She has a potty mouth, people, so excuse me, YouTube, don't strike me, whatever. But we got 3 Durags right here. We got 2 Velvets and we got another Silky. So 6 Durags in all in total. She's gonna be doing the giveaway. And that's pretty much it. So I read some of these submissions, man, and I looked at them and I sent them straight to her phone. She got them. At first she was just pissed off because I kept sending them to the phone. She was like, babe, send them to your iPad or something. Send them to your iPad. Wait, you remember you were saying that, right? You was like, send them to the iPad. Because I sent them one by one as a screenshot to her phone.
Because that thing just kept going ding, ding, ding.
It did.
Like, stop.
But she got the submissions and she was actually reading them, y'all. Like, she was playing her video game all day. She loves Zelda. She loves playing on Nintendo Switch or DS. Is it Switch. So Nintendo Switch. But she loves playing her video game in Zelda. But as she was playing it, she would be sitting off to the side, like just with her phone, like going through the submissions and reading everything. A lot of y'all sent in some great stuff, and then some of you didn't. I mean, I told y'all on the last video, do not suck up to me. She will immediately catch it every single time.
Most of y'all did not suck up, and some of y'all did.
Yeah.
Some of y'all did that. What my dog does to us.
What? What does your dog do? What is that? What is that? Stop! But okay. Yeah. I guess.
Like, I should just let her in here and we should just film it.
No, we're not. We gotta get through this giveaway. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce all of you, all my subscribers, all the Wave fam, to my baby here. This is Ariana. She goes by Ari. She's pretty much going to do this giveaway. She's made her selection on who's going to win without the submissions. She read everybody's stuff, so take it away. But go through, you went through all of them, you read them. I know there was a couple of them you want to actually bring up out of curiosity.
Like the one that has 3 words.
What? That's one that has 3 words.
Bruh, you fired. Like, you failed.
What does it say?
What do you mean, what does it say? This dude, we told you to do something mad simple, and your entry said, I need in.
Wait, that's it? Oh. Oh, it says I need in.
No.
Who is this?
Like,
Dinero, come on, bro. You even know
directions, bro.
You know better, bro. Don't just say I need in and don't do nothing else. You just I need in.
Nah.
Maybe in a future giveaway I do, you'll understand. Go ahead and let's just go straight to the person that actually won this giveaway. I'm adding a brush as well. I forgot to say that in the beginning.
Pretty much automatic almost.
I'm going to be giving away this brush too with it. It is my favorite brush. One of my favorite brush when I first got it was this Laker joint. And you know, with the Lakers looking good this year. You know, you got yeah. I'm not giving away the wristband. The wristband thing with me.
I pointed it out. Got
LeBron, AD. You know what I'm saying? The Lakers about to do the damn thing. But yeah, man, this brush I'm giving away with the 6 Durags. Go ahead and take it away.
So, by the way, shout out to everybody who entered.
Oh yeah, definitely. Shout out to everybody. I forgot about that. Thank you, babe.
So this dude said, the guy who entered and won, said, "What it do, my boy? I'm Joshua from NC. First and foremost, I stumbled into the wave game after I decided to cut my long hair off 3.5 years ago. I did it because I was older and I wanted a more mature and clean look. I looked up waves on YouTube and ran up on 360 Jeezy, and it took off from there. In the beginning, it was used errors and I decided to give up. Then I got an invite to a wave page from my buddy. That's when my fire was fueled. So I got focused and found something I was passionate about. Brushing is a lifestyle that has helped me in vast ways. It helped me through a lot of hard times, especially my uncle's death. He would always ask me how I got them and would I teach him. Before he passed, I started teaching him, and when he passed, I grinded even more in honor of him.
Wow.
Through that, I've begun to mentor kids in my neighborhood on waves and how waving teaches life skills like patience, passion, and persistence. I'm a trucker, but it never stopped my waving. I faithfully carry a large handheld mirror and at least 4 brushes in my bag. Anyone willing to learn, I'm willing to teach them this lifestyle. It's way more than a fashion statement. No lie, I dream of the day of having a son and teaching him the ways of a wave so he can pass it on. Also, shout out to a mentor and a beast of minds in the game, J. Lou. He has truly helped me walk this path with more precision."
Well, people, what was his name?
The winner is 87 Living Legend.
87 Living Legend. Congratulations, you are the winner of my giveaway. You're the winner. Look at this.
No.
What are you doing? What? You're the winner of the giveaway, 87 Living Legend. You also are going to be winning this Laker Torino Pro brush. I don't know the number. I never keep up with the number with Brush King brushes. I just get them. So shout out to you. Congratulations to you. Two of the biggest things that I really took from that submission was your relationship you had with your uncle and how that helped you through hard times when he passed on. And then of course, talking about when you have a son of your own, you're going to be teaching him the wave game. So baby, when we have a kid, I don't care if it's a girl or boy, she's going to be bald headed. She's going to have waves. She's not having long hair like you. I don't care if it's a girl or a boy. Preferably it's going to be a boy. I think I'm going to have like 6. We're going to have like 6 boys. So they all gonna be wavy. I'm trying to be like PB, the Drip family or something. We gonna be the HB3 family.
They don't have some good hair, whether it's waves or whether it's long.
Oh, it ain't gonna be long. It ain't gonna be long. It's gonna be waves. But definitely, man, shout out to 87 Living Legend.
Congratulations.
Make sure you go ahead and send me your Addy. I will be sending all that information, all that the package to you. I'll be sending the package to you, and that's pretty much it. With that being said, I would like to thank my baby, Ari. Do your thing. Do like this, when you like this. Yeah, she does this all the time. It's so... Stop. scary on the video. But I'd like to thank my baby for being in this video. I've never had anyone really in one of my videos, but I thought this would be something different, something cool to do. Who knows? She may be in some future more videos, which most likely she will. Be on the lookout for my next update. I'm going to be doing an update here soon. And pretty much shout out to everybody. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and share the video and subscribe to your boy, man. But with that being said, it is your boy HB. Your snaps gotta be harder than that, man.
It's my own snaps. Leave me alone.
Okay, 3. I'm out of here, man. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go, baby. Ah!